Kia ora and thank you for taking the first steps to learning the Māori spoken in the Cook Islands. Tōku ingoa ko Tom, my name is Tom. Grab a notebook or just listen along. Ka kamata tātou, let's begin. I te rā, today we are learning how to ask, would you like to drink? Or would you like a drink? In the Cook Islands Māori language, the most common way to ask this is ka inangaro koe I te inu. Now, because I know you've already listened to lesson number 156 and 157, the only new word we are learning today is the word drink, which is inu. This is spelled I-N-U. Repeat after me, inu. Inu. One more time, inu. Let's have a practice at saying the whole thing. Would you like to drink? Ka inangaro koe I te inu. Repeat after me. We'll start slowly. Ka inangaro koe I te inu. I think we can say it normally now. Repeat after me. Ka inangaro koe I te inu. Ka inangaro koe I te inu. Ka inangaro koe I te inu. When would you ask someone, would you like to drink? Ka inangaro koe I te inu. An example might be at a restaurant, everyone is seated at the table and you're pouring the water and you're not sure if the person across from you wants some water. So you ask them, hey, would you like to drink? Or, in the Cook Islands Māori language, ka inangaro koe I te inu. In this instance, obviously you're implying you're going to pour them some water. Using the same restaurant example, obviously you have water on the table now. You might also ask someone, hey, would you like to drink? Now in that context, it's very obvious you're probably implying alcohol. So you would say, ka inangaro koe I te inu. Would you like to drink alcohol? And they might say to you, yes, no, I, kare. So with that, let's have an imaginary example. I walk into the bar and we're old mates catching up. You're drinking water, I'm drinking water, and then out of the blue you had this amazing idea. You want to ask me, in the Cook Islands Māori language, would you like to drink? How would you ask this? Ka inangaro koe I te inu. I look at you and I'm shocked that you would ask me that. I'm in disbelief. And I ask you again, Aotearoa o, which means say again. You want to ask me, would you like to drink in the Cook Islands Māori language? How would you ask this? Ka inangaro koe I te inu. Then I say, e tanu e, of course. Now, what does it sound like when someone from Rarotonga or someone from Aitutaki says this casually? It would sound very different. Instead of sounding like this, would you like to drink? Ka inangaro koe I te inu. It might sound like this. Ngaro koe te inu. I'll say that again. Ka inangaro koe I te inu will sound like ngaro koe te inu. Very short, sharp. You would only say it, you wouldn't write it. Kua tae tātou ki te opanga. We have reached the end. This podcast is about language, culture, and identity. Send us an email if you want to learn something new. If we don't know the answer, we will find someone who does. If you've learned something, please share this episode. But if you didn't learn anything at all, still share it. We want the language to thrive. Don't make us extinct. Keep practicing, keep listening. Aka maroi roi e tama e mai ni e tūtūtu I tō tātou reo Māori. Please take care and be well. Kia orana e kia manuia.